Guys, I'm going to show you a Springdale. It is a pre-owned unit, but we just got it in, so I'm excited to show you, walk you through it, and you guys let me know what you think. It is a smaller unit, but it is a bunkhouse, so let me know what you think. We're going to start from the outside and then come in, so let's go. Guys, I'm going to show you a Springdale. It is a pre-owned unit, we've got our Springdale Mini by Keystone. It is a 2021 model 1800 BH. So again, that bunkhouse. So if you're looking for something, you're just wanting to get out there, have, just camp, really, just enjoy some camping, then this is a great unit. You've got a nice awning right here. It's in great condition. I mean, it looks really, really good. All right, let's take a look inside. All right, I like this little unit. It's in, again, like I said, it's in great condition. So right here to the left, we've got our kitchen area, which it has a really nice sized countertop. You've also got your 2-burner. You've got your refrigerator here as well. Let me just open that. So plenty of space. A lot more than I actually thought. So plenty of space to put your goods in here. You've got some shelves and some cabinetry down here. Microwave up above and some more storage right up here. And there's the cubbies and shelves right here. Plenty of space, plenty of storage. I like having that much storage. Over here, you've got your dinette, and I know that there's probably storage underneath, but I do know that you can make into another bed if you needed to. You got a nice size bed right here with the shelf right above it, and some more area to hang up your clothes or whatever you may need it for. A little side table as well. Over here we've got our bunkhouse, so bunk beds, and they are twin size, but you have two, and you do have a window right there, which is really, really nice. And then our bathroom. I love this door. I love that wood look. Plenty of space in this bathroom, actually. You can have a seat, not bump your knees. You've got everything you need, the sink, the storage, nice size shower as well. All right, so what do you guys think? Let me know. Right now, this is actually at a wonderful price. And I don't think I mentioned you can put your entertainment right here, and you're able to watch some TV right over here, which is plenty of space on this wall as well. But like I said, it is at a great price. I think it's $14,995. So great deal. So again, if you're looking for a little bunkhouse and you're ready to get out there, this might be the one for you. But you know what, my information is down below, so you can call, text, email, let me know what you think. Until next time.